Am I still around? Yeah. Still working? Yeah. Oh, what do we got? Well, it's starting to get cooler out here because it's like September something. And I would really like to be able to put some of the equipment inside. But that requires cleaning stuff out. Sawmill that I haven't used yet. This is a parts machine for the other crawler we have. Fun time. It's actually been good. I've actually wrapped parts off of it. The dumpster, I've been filling up the 42 with steel to take to recycling. But this building, I would like to clean out so I can park stuff in. So that's what I've been doing. Took a server rack apart. It was an HP server rack. 100% aluminum. It was crazy. But there's so much stuff. So this pile of wood that I probably helped cut when I was a kid has been in that corner since, I was a kid. Isn't that crazy? A whole bunch of insulation. My sister wants to take, so that's good. I don't even know what's in these cubbies anymore because I haven't been able to get to it in forever. And then there's a second level that runs around this building. Mostly has, I kind of know what's up there. It's like engines and pulleys and sprockets and stuff like that. So, and then there's up in the trusses, which Dad actually, I know they had been working on cleaning out because they'd actually been working on cleaning stuff out in here because there was a toolbox with tools. There's actually a new Craftsman box that I've been using. It's been awesome. Just bring down the impact and just buzz stuff apart. And there's just stuff. There's two dump cylinders in assemblies. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Air compressor tank. Just lots of random stuff. I don't know if you can... Oh, and so I really don't know what kind of grinder this was, but he was taking it apart. He was trying to get rid of stuff. This grinder has been here since I was a kid also, and he'd been slowly taking it apart. So I got at least one load of cast iron going to recycling, depending. So, years. It's going to take years. This is our 400 amp welder. It got stuck down here after we fixed the after we had fixed the outside wood furnace. The reason why I'm cleaning this out is I need this steel. I thought, well, while I'm down here, I should clean up so it's easier to get to the steel. Good times. There's this thing, which I don't have any reason to have, probably. It's a Detroit testing machine. It's for testing hardness. It's all cast. Another cast iron thing. Flywheels, diesel engines. There's also, are these Wisconsin engines? There's a 4-cylinder Wisconsin back in there, and then I think a 2-cylinder Wisconsin without a head, but I know there's at least one more of those around here. So, yeah, it's just stuff. Lots of stuff. Some sort of motor. So, oh, and a really old Evinrude. So, yeah, motors. Some posts, like decorative. I don't know why we kept them. Those have been up there since I was a kid. Dad was really working hard though. He was trying to get rid of stuff, so. But should we see if this thing starts? This thing has been really quite nice. It needs some work still. I totally redid all the wiring in it. I don't know if I did a video on it, but I have to get my key out. Hold on. Let me back off here. There. Ooh, focus. Oh, not on my keys. Let's see what key this is. Is it this one? Yeah. So, you see the gas pedal? I haven't put a gas pedal on this yet. All right. Turn it on. We out of gear. And this is a... let's see if I can do this here. Oh, come on. Wait. I don't have this on. There we go. That switch must be getting dirty. All right, here we go. This is one of the best sounding engines. I have come across. But yeah, granted it's a bit old, but it gets to the recycling and back again. This steel. We're not on the helper springs yet, but we're getting close. So yeah, I'm still doing stuff, just not slow going. That's what all I have to say. But yeah, totally rewired everything. We'll let that warm up. So yeah, maybe a couple more weeks and I'll have this cleared out enough that we can get some tractors and stuff in here. We'll see. That's just so much stuff. Anyway, talk to you guys later.